This Genera is going out through our front door. This is the walkway steps. You can see it's almost completely covered. You can barely even see them. It's our vehicle. That's even after slightly, getting all the ice off. It's hard to see it, but this is about 3 to 4 feet of snow packed in. That's the backdrop, all the trees, all full of snow. And it's kind of neat, right around the corner, they have a walkway that goes down back to that picnic table we just showed you. Can't really see it, but that in the background is our picnic table. So there's the barbecue on the left. In the background is the picnic table. You can't see it from here, but this is the walkway. It's actually stairs, completely covered. Can't even tell they're there. But it's so beautiful because everything is just filled with snow.